Ryan Little.
Alright, so we out here in Senegal. Got my guys, Melissa and Nana with me. We about to get this day started. Dope time in Senegal. Let's see what's in store. Yeah, stay tuned. So all of these yellow cars over here, these are the taxis, right? And now we're bargaining for it. Go in, we in. Alright, so we got in the cab. So for Americans, the price is $5,200. We're gonna get a ferry over to Goree Island now. So, okay, let's see, Michel. Let's see. Sanitize you on the way there. Now we about to wait for this ferry. I got the whole gang here with me. We're about to head to Goree Island, which is an island right off the coast of Dakar. Ibrahim, tell me about it.
Goree Island was a slave island. That's where they used to keep all the slaves before they shipped them to America.
So to get to Goree Island, you got to take a ferry. It's an island off the coast of Senegal. So right here, we're walking down to the boat to get on.
Believe that there is a spirit that lives in the water. So during colonial time, they were trying to build a bridge from Dakar to Goree, and you see that part, those rocks right there.
Yeah.
Every time they will try to build a bridge at night, the spirit or whatever will come and knock everything down. And they did it so many times that they just gave up. So that's what you see right there, you know.
Alright, so we just touched down. Goree Island, got off the ferry. Beautiful over here, yo. I'm gonna try to see if I can get on with a surfboard right here with my young bull. We're gonna see what's gonna happen with that. Alright, so now we're heading to the House of Slaves. It actually closes in about 20 minutes, so we about to see him.
I wish you welcome to Goree Island. It's small by size, but it's big by history. They are 900 meters long and 300 meters large. We have 2,000 people living in the island here. 1,005 Muslim, 500 Christian. But the first European discovered the island was the Portuguese, 1444. When the Portuguese came, they given the name of this island, Beer Island, like the name of the boat. This is the first name called by the Portuguese in this island. After Portuguese, we have the Dutch. Dutch came, they change beer, they give in good reader, like a good harbor. And then French came, they change good reader, they give in Goree. But Goree, in Senegalese language, it is dignity.
What does the word mean?
Dignity.
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 Goree,
you know what I mean? Because all people born before 1960, we are French citizens. Because Senegalese get independence 1960. Goree is a volcanic island before.
Volcanic?
Volcanic, yeah.
Okay.
Volcanic island before. Goree, we are World Heritage by UNESCO since 1978. We never change, we have to renovate only.
Yes.
If you look in the island, we will see only three colors. The yellow for the Portuguese, the red for the Dutch, and the white for the French. And then, but the final Congress 1815, the four communities of the Senegal have to give in by the France, and the British go to Gambia. The reason why Gambia by the calling by the British and Senegal by the France. This one even behind you. This one also. This is the house of the senior. You know senior?
Yes.
If you have baby, the baby is boy, they name mulatto. The baby is girl, they name senior.
What is it?
Genajif.
Genajif. What does that mean?
Thank you.
Genajif.
The easiest one is wow. Wow means okay.
Wow. Yeah, I got that one.
Welcome to the slave house. This is the last one been to island, but 1780. Because all house we see around the ocean was the slave house before. Now many of them we are private house, like Senegalese in European get holiday house in this island. You know why? Because Goree is like paradise island. No car, no motorbike.
No cars, no
Why
motorbikes.
many white people they get holiday house in this island.
Ah.
So inside here we are 150
On Goree.
to 200 people inside. Men, women, and the children, but they're separated by the different cell. All right, on your left, the cell for the man. You can close here. Look like it's 2.6 by 2.6.
How many men inside this?
15 people in this.
15 to 20 people inside here.
Wow.
I'm telling you. And they leave only one time for all day. We can eat and they will go to the bathroom. When they have to go to the bathroom, they have 10 in your hand.
Wow.
The big bowl is 11 kilograms. Because sometimes,
40 pounds.
yeah, sometimes when we arrive there, they try to jump in by
Yes,
swimming.
sing.
But if you try to jump in by swimming on this bowl, you have to sink on the room.
So they jump.
So if you get 60 kilograms, okay. If you don't get 60 kilograms, you have to walk here.
Domestic.
The massive, yeah.
Okay, so 60 kilograms, you are a slave.
Yes.
If you're under 60 kilograms, you're a worker here.
As a
No,
domestic.
you have to be here. They feed you.
Feed you.
Until
They
you get
feed-
to 60.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but
They
if
feed you first,
even
and
after
then they wait a second time.
Yes.
If you get 60 kilograms now,
You
you
get-
go.
if you don't get 60 kilograms now, we have to work here like on Goree or
Yeah.
Saint-Louis of Senegal because they Saint-Louis they are the first capital of Senegal.
Yeah.
But you know,
Yep. If you don't make 60 kgs, this is where they put you, and then they feed you
Yeah.
until you get to
palm
60
oil,
kilograms.
The beans.
Palm oil and beans.
This for the
Get that
rebels.
weight up.
For the children.
Wow.
Are you see?
For the children here.
30 to 40 children, 3 to 12 years. And the time, the value of the children, you take back for your teeth.
Wow.
Because when the European came, they bring like junk, mirror, necklace, wine, you know, and they change this junk like the slaves. For example, one children, we get mirror or necklace. One man, you get gold or barrel the wine, like that. Because it's 100 years. They start 1536, we stop 1848.
Wow.
By the French, they did 300 years, the slave. In Goree Island.
300 years of slavery in Goree Island.
Goree Island.
Wow.
Yeah. We are only Goree Island. We are 15 to 20 million slaves pass here to US. 6 million died, sickness and bad condition.
Wow. 6 million died here.
And you know, Senegal, which is more important for the slave trade because I see Africa map. Senegalese, we
That
are very
last
close.
one, yeah.
Reason why
Close.
Senegalese they are more important for the slave trade.
Yes.
6 to 12 weeks by the boat
To get to
to
Yes.
Brazil because the big
Brazil.
plantation was the Brazil before.
6 to 12 months.
Yeah.
Wow.
They're
For the
only for the virgin girl.
virgin girls here.
Yeah, because on that time we have Africa culture. If you want to know this girl, we are virgin, they touch your breast. If your breast full down, you're not virgin. You have to be served for the woman. This is the only cells we get bathroom inside here. This is bathroom for these girls.
Wow.
You know, I told you, the white people live in the top. Sometimes they came here, they take
a
this
girl.
lady, they pick them up, they making it sex.
Wow.
Come out, they go directly to the doorway of Naruto, and then they stay there, they apologize.
Yes.
It's very small. And this is for the rebels, for the punishment.
The rebels.
Yeah.
And you gotta sit
You know,
like this for months.
look at this one because
Oh man.
on the time, the guys never mind how many people put in inside. Only problem for them, how many close this iron metal get door.
Right here is the door of no return, where this would be the last time that they would be on the soil of Senegal. Then they would take them from here to Portugal, US, or wherever else they need. Yes.
Reason why we have many sharks around the island.
Sharks,
But if
yeah.
we try to jump in, eating by the shark or shooting by the guys, because the guys, the woods here, they get gone.
Wow.
They shoot you. But from here, all the slaves, you lose your name from here. We have to take only number. When we arrive there, before we have wooden bridge like this one. From here to enter the ocean, 30 to 40 meters. The slaves have to go 2 by 2, and the small one they came, they take till they bring the big one, because the big one they stay in the middle there. And sometimes, reason why I told you, sometimes they try to jump in. So if you jump in, you have many shark, eaten by the shark, or the guys who was here, because the guys they stay here like this, they get gone. I see 1, 2, 3, over there 1, 2, they shoot you, or they eaten by the shark. Very 300 years. Was the Yoruba people. They came from Benin, Ghana, Nigeria. Yeah, very tall.
Yeah.
Sometimes they use them like,
Nigerian.
yeah. Sometimes they use them like a genital. They reproduce many children.
Yeah.
They were bigger than like even Senegalese?
Now
Okay.
we're heading up. It's beautiful, but it's tainted by history. These are the chains that they put on.
Yeah.
Wow.
In the book, they need a
And the balls down there, wow. So to go to the bathroom,
Yeah.
you had to put all of this on.
Yeah.
You're not escaping with this. Wow.
The François Hollande,
Yes.
France president, is George Bush Jr., Mandela,
Trump not here though.
Ken Clinton,
He's
Jacob Lula,
Yep.
in Mahmoud Abbas, Jacob Zuma,
Yes.
his daughter for Malcolm X.
Wow.
Yeah. And behind you is the Pope, from the Vatican Pope John Paul II, 19.
It's the gun that they would shoot them with.
So they have these on the foot, the hands, and the neck.
Foot, hands, and neck. It's the gun.
No again? No? No.
They did.
Oh, this is beautiful though with the.
You know these three?
No.
This is the baobab.
Baobab.
Yeah. You know the baobab is emblem of Senegal.
The emblem of Senegal, okay.
And the fruit they name monkey bread. We can use it like juice.
What's dues?
The juice you can drink.
Oh,
It's
okay.
very,
Which
you know,
one? The baobab.
the
yeah.
baobab.
fruit.
Yeah.
So they're over here trying to get us to buy things, which is good. I respect the hustle, but not getting me. We'll get stuff later. It's beautiful. I love it. I love the hustle, but not me. Sorry.
Look at this, the fanny.
You need that? Oh, you need that? No, you don't need that? All right. I have 4 wives, so I need.
Okay, I get 4. I get 4.
Yes, but they're too expensive. I don't have any.
You see how much? No,
No,
see the
I'm okay.
price?
All right, thank you.
In Saloum Islands, when you go to Gambia Republic, the central part of Senegal. This is from Mauritania, the iron mines of Gulf in Zouérat. This is from iron mine sand in Mauritania. You got this one from Goree Island, at the beach of Goree. You have to dig, you got this kind of sand, local sand, Goree Island. This is from the Pink Lake. You heard about the Pink Lake?
Yes.
Okay, this is from the Pink Lake one. We got also this one from the Tainted Desert. Tainted is from Niger, northern part of Niger, but south of Sahara Desert. We got also the yellow one from northern part of Senegal, the dunes of Lompoul, when you go to Saint-Louis, and the black one from the Mamel volcano. This is from volcanic sand, next to the big monument of African Renaissance. You see, and the blue comes from the baobab tree and the acacia tree. This is from the baobab tree, the sap of the baobab tree, but mix it with the Arabic gum. And the Arabic is the shadow with the darkest color first. And after we're gonna see the final result. If he deserves applause, we can give it to him, okay? If not, we toss the sand on his head, eh?
So this is all the sand From Senegal.
From Africa.
From
West
Africa.
Africa. West Africa.
West Africa, okay.
Sahara.
And they use the glue right from the baobab tree
Okay.
And acacia tree.
and acacia tree.
Alright.
And it gives you these
See the
beautiful.
final result now. Look at that.
All right, so walking by. Now we in the markets. Yep. Oh. I like men.
Ah, you like me?
Yes.
But you support your sister?
No, but I don't have sister. I have
Me,
boyfriend.
I'm your sister. Me, I'm your
Oh
sister.
yes.
Okay. You see, take your camera. You buy something, you support your sister.
Yes, I know. But my boyfriend is not going to like it.
Okay, take this one for your boyfriend. The Corey.
But the shells, he's not gonna like that.
Look like it's like the end of bracelet. It's really nice.
I don't think he's gonna like it. I know him well. He's not gonna like it. Here you can see the baobab tree. This one has a ton of fruit. If you look like right here, those are all some of the fruit. This is the national fruit or national tree of Senegal. So it's dope to see so many of them.
So this cannon we see here, they came from France. They bring by the French military in 1902.
Right here, we're at the Guns of Africa. This was a strategic point that the British and the French used to try to colonize this island for. And they told me I could get up there, so you know me, get up. You messed it up. So this is the memorial of Goree Castle. This is super cool because it was actually built by Black Americans' ancestors who died in slavery, getting back to America. So this is a memorial of over 1 million people who have died right here in Goree Island. Check it out. All right, so talk to me what you say.
This guy is the most famous and followed religious leader in Senegal.
Gotcha.
Okay, so during the colonial time, the French people came and took him, and they did so many like torture on him. They even locked him in a cage with 3 hungry lions.
Wow.
You know, and when they opened the door, they thought that the lions were going to eat him.
Yeah.
And he was laying with the lions and petting them and stuff. So they believe that he has a lot of spiritual powers. And this guy was his servant, and he used to have dreadlocks. So, you know, a lot of the dreadlocks people you see in Senegal here, they follow this guy.
Give a play something, continue. Come on.
Hey.
Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. You're welcome. Go ahead. Come on, come on. Go ahead. Come on, come on. Go ahead.
There is the Statue of Liberation that was given by our brothers in the Caribbean, Guadalupe Island, celebrating 200 years of French colonial abolishment of slavery. So look at this beautiful statue.
Oh no, wait. No.
So we right here in Goree Island. Yo, it's beautiful. Y'all have to come check this out right off the coast of Senegal, Dakar to be specific. But it's this beautiful Atlantic Ocean. I'm about to go run and jump in. Come check this out. And now we're leaving Goree Island. Yo, let me tell you, it was so dope. Fire, beautiful views, scenes. It's tainted by its history, but it's amazing what the Senegalese did with it to make it a beautiful place. So check it out here, right?
Yeah.